Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to put music on Capcut. So here is the Capcut apps. I've already opened it, and then I'm going to start a new project. Just click on the plus icon and choose the video that you want to edit. For example, this one right here, so it doesn't have any music in it, and I'm going to put some. So I'm going to delete the ending first. So what you need to do is you can just click on add audio right here at the bottom of the video, or you can also click on audio option at the toolbar at the bottom right here. So I'm going to click on sounds, and then here you can just choose the songs or music from Capcut right here, or you can also choose the one from your device. For example, this one, you can just click on the folder icon and click on from device and choose the music file that you want to add into your video. For example, this one right here, and then you can also add cut or trim the audio to fit into your video like this. And you can also trim the duration to fit into the video like this. You can just swipe or drag the end of the audio until it fits into your video like this. Okay, let's just okay, so I've trimmed the audio into fit into the video, and then I'm going to play it. Okay, so when you're done, just click on the save icon to download the video. Okay, so that's all how you can add music in Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.